In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Excel sheet to Notion. By the end, you'll have your spreadsheet data neatly organized in a Notion database, ready for filtering, sorting, and building views. First, open Notion in your browser and sign in. On the login page, choose the option to continue with Google, then pick your Google account to authenticate. If you're part of a shared workspace, make sure you have permission to add content so the import goes smoothly. Once you're in, head to Settings and then find the Import section. This is where Notion brings external data into your workspace. We'll be importing as a CSV because Notion converts spreadsheets into databases best from that format. Before you upload anything, take a moment in Excel to prepare your file. Save a copy of your sheet as a CSV, ideally using the UTF-8 option to keep special characters intact. Use just one sheet for the export. Make sure the very first row contains clear column headers because these will become your Notion property names. Clean up any merged cells, remove extra totals or notes, and keep values simple. Formulas won't come over as formulas, only as the results they produced. For dates, pick a consistent format like YYYYMMDD, so Notion recognizes them. For checkboxes, use clear true, false, or 10 values. And keep your column names short and descriptive. You can always rename them later in Notion. Back in Notion's import area, upload your CSV file or drag and drop it into the window. Notion will analyze the file and show you how it plans to structure the database. You'll then see an option to map CSV headers. This is your chance to confirm that each column from your CSV matches the property it should create in Notion. If something looks off, adjust the mapping so every header lines up correctly. Next, customize the property types. Notion may default to text, but you'll get better results by setting each column to the right type. Use number for quantities or currency, date for timestamps, select or multi-select for categories and tags, checkbox for true-false values, and email, URL, or phone where appropriate. Accurate types make filters, sorts, and roll-ups far more powerful. When everything looks right, click Import CSV. Notion will create a new database page with your data. Give it a quick review, scan for any misaligned columns, spot check dates and numbers, and rename properties if needed. You can add views like a table or board and refine properties later without losing your imported data. That's it. Your Excel sheet is now in Notion and ready to work for you.